How to lock any app on any iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you need to have Shortcut app on your phone. You can also download it through App Store. Now you want to go to Settings and then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Scroll down again and then tap on Guided Access. Make sure the toggle button is turned on, then tap on Passcode Settings. Set the passcode and then you want to go to Open Shortcut app. Tap on Automation on the bottom middle, tap on plus sign on the top right corner, then tap on Create Personal Automation. Scroll down and tap on App. After you're done, you get to choose which app is going to be locked. So tap on Choose and choose any of the app, then tap on Next that is on the top right corner. Now tap on Add Action, go to the search bar and search for Guided Access. Tap on Start Guided Access. Now turn on the toggle button for Ask Before Running, then tap on Next. Now tap on the Home button for 3 times and tap on Guided Access. Now tap on Option on the bottom right corner, then turn on the toggle button for first 2 options and then turn off for all of them. After you do that, you'll be able to lock any app on iPhone like that. So I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.